Hi there, I'm Mark Mullins. I'm here at the Fall 2017 Bixie Show in Las Vegas. I'm with Fluke Networks, and we're here to show off one of our exciting new products. In fact, we're very proud to announce that it's the winner of the 2017 Cabling Installation and Maintenance Innovators Award. It's the DSX8000, which is the industry's first Category 8 field tester. So you might wonder, what makes this the industry's first Category 8 field tester? Well, it's really three things. Last year, the TIA approved a standard for testing in the field Category 8 cabling links. And as part of that standard, they defined a new standard for accuracy called the 2G level. Now, accuracy in a cable tester is something that as a customer or a user, it's very, very difficult to determine if that accuracy is really, really there. So what we did is we went to this company, ETL, now known as Intertek, and we had them independently verify the accuracy of this tester. So this is the first tester that has met this 2G accuracy spec, which is required for Category 8. Now the second thing that makes this a Category 8 tester is the fact that we have both permanent link adapters, as you see here, that can plug into an RJ45 jack, and also channel adapters, which you can use to plug into a channel, which includes a plug that goes into this jack right here. A lot of Category 8 installations will be set up as channels, and so you'll need to have this sort of an adapter. So we've got both adapters, and that's why we're a full Category 8 tester. The third thing we do in the DSX8000 is shield integrity testing. So the DSX8000 has a unique technology that can test the shield along the path of the cabling. So it won't be fooled by other paths, such as a grounding connection or another cable. It'll automatically find problems that other testers can't. Now, as a contractor, one of the things you need to know is that when you do a test, you'll get a warranty from your manufacturer. And there are a lot of manufacturers out there, and as an installer, you may support multiples of them. Because of that, we've had the DSX8000 verified for accuracy by 16 different manufacturers who will accept the results for Category 8 testing when you turn them in. So that means that your warranties will be valid when you do it with the DSX8000. Another thing about the DSX8000 that makes it unique and incredibly powerful is the fact that it's modular, and that means that today you can buy one with a Category 8 module, but in the future you'll be able to put other modules on there to do other kinds of testing. The DSX8000 also features extremely fast test times. It only takes 8 seconds to test a Category 6A cable and 16 seconds to test a Category 8 cable. One of the questions we often get when we're being asked about the DSX8000 is, I don't really see much Category 8 in the market today. Should I invest in a DSX8000? Well, one thing we do know is that customers tend to use our testers for a long time, oftentimes a decade or more. And a DSX8000 is just a small incremental expense more than buying just a Cat 6A tester. So if you'd like to learn more about the DSX8000 or Category 8 testing, go ahead and visit our website, look for the DSX8000 tester, or also look for a page that we've got on Category 8 testing, learn a little bit more about how it's done and what the future of Category 8 will be.